everybody? My name is Tank, and today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts about where we are in the market, as well as where I think we might be heading in the near future. Right now, Bitcoin is trading for $43,898, which means we have broken past our previous level of resistance, which was right around $41,500 to $42,000. The big question is, currently, can we maintain ourselves above our previous resistance and flip that into support? Let's take a look at the time frame so we can get a better idea of what possibly might be unfolding over the next 24 to 48 hours. As you guys can see on Market Cipher B, you see the RSIs are pointing upwards. Keep in mind they are a lagging indicator. We did just get a sell signal or a red dot here on Market Cipher B that printed about 5 minutes ago on the time frames. So that has time to confirm. We could come down a little bit, probably back into that $43,500 price point. But like I said, this still needs to confirm. It just printed, so it still has a lot of time to confirm. We could actually cancel it out and still pump to $44,000. If we do pump to $44,000, I would believe that this would probably cancel out here. Money flow is still in the green. Let's take a look at the 3-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame shows the RSIs are pointing straight up. We had a sell signal, but it did nothing. It just ignored that sell signal, went upwards. We came down maybe like $200, $300 from that sell signal. But yeah, we've been in a steady uptrend, even on Market Cipher A, as you can see, even after getting that sell signal. A lot of bullish things are happening. Actually, guys, look at that. We're going to bust into 44,000 right now as we speak. So again, let's see if that canceled out. No, it didn't cancel out just yet, but it's ignoring it just like it did on the 3-hour time frame. RSI is pointing upwards. Money flow is pinching together. Look at the waves here. Red to green, pinching together quite nicely. And on the 3-hour time frame, guys, yeah, this looks very similar to this setup here, guys. And you saw what happened after that happened. Look at this setup down here versus here, guys. This looks really, really similar. Patterns don't repeat themselves, but they do rhyme. And I will be honest with you guys. We went from red to green, money flow on these red waves. Look how it pinches together right here specifically versus to what it's doing right here. Boom, boom, boom. We started spiking up just like we did before. Started spiking up and then flips over like it's doing right now. Looks like it wants to roll over. Looks like it wants to roll over. And then what happened? We just ranged in this overextended portion for the RSIs for some time while we pumped to the upside. Not financial advice, guys, but I'm just pointing out it looks very, very similar. I told you guys in my past calls. I told you yesterday, guys. Look at it. If you guys didn't realize what this was a bullish flag. Flag pull. Flag. I told you guys yesterday, I saw bullish signs all over the place. We pumped to the upside. This, in my opinion, on the 3-hour, guys, looks very similar to what we saw here. We could be pushing up into that $50,000 price point really, really soon. Let's go to the 2-hour, though, and stop talking about other things other than the charts. 2-hour time frame, RSI is pointing straight back up here, guys. Look at that. Boom. Market Cipher B, RSIs are pointing back up. We had sell signals right here that was ignored completely. Went from red to green on Market Cipher B. And look at this, guys. I'm telling you, on the 2-hour time frame, this looks really similar to this setup here before it pinched together, and you saw what happened there. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now on Bitcoin, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum's looking super, super bullish. RSIs are pointing back upwards here. We're at $3,140, guys. I told you in yesterday's video, it was only a matter of time before we broke into that $3,000 price point. You're crazy if you're selling your ETH right now. Too much bullish technical and fundamental things are happening right now for ETH. The momentum's on your side. You guys are crazy if you're selling your ETH. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Right now we're on the 2-hour time frame. We'll kind of work it forward and backwards. 2-hour time frame pointing upwards. 3-hour time frame. RSI is kind of rounding out here. Doesn't look like it's totally pointing downwards. We do have momentum on our side. We're still deep in the green. We've been deep in the green here on Market Cipher B. 4-hour time frame. Same thing here. RSI is actually pointing back upwards. So 2 out of 3 time frames are showing us that the RSIs are going upwards. Let's just take a look at the 1-hour time frame just to be, RSI, 2 out of 3 are pointing upwards. 1 is pointing on the 1-hour time frame going sideways, and 3-hour time frames pointing downwards. This looks like we could pump up to $3,200, guys. That's what it looks like. Realistically, I could see us coming back down, ranging between that $3,050 to where we are now. But guys, just in short, you're crazy. Don't sell your ETH. Y'all crazy. ADA's looking just like ETH right now. Matter of fact, ADA has a lot more potential to run in the short to near future because smart contracts are soon to be launched. 1-hour time frame for Market Cipher B pointing upwards here, pinching together nicely. We're going back into the green, showing like we're getting some support here. 2-hour time frame, same thing, pinching together nicely, going back into the green. We're a bit overextended, but it doesn't look like it matters right now, guys. It looks like we're just riding it. Look at 3 out of the 4 time frames already pinching together. RSIs pointing upwards. They're a lagging indicator, but it gives you a better idea of what's actually happening currently with the market as well, guys. Even though they're a lagging indicator, it does give you a better idea of what's actually happening, especially when you confirm it to other time frames or cross-reference it to other time frames. 4-hour time frame here, guys. We could be getting into that $1.50 range here shortly. We could be getting in there shortly. I told you guys, once we get there, bada bing, bada boom, we'll be off to the races, guys. We'll be seeing $2 quite shortly. But that's what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I'm committed to giving you guys my honest opinion, whether it be bullish or bearish, in each and every video that I make. So please, if it helps you guys out, it would help me out if you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next go around. Remember, stay in profits, realize your profits, don't overextend, stay blessed. Peace.